For homeowners in Green Cove Springs, Florida, maintaining a healthy home environment goes beyond cleaning and air conditioning. It starts with your windows. While windows are often chosen for their beauty or energy efficiency, they also play a vital role in maintaining your home's indoor air quality, IAQ. Over time, older or poorly sealed windows can allow moisture, allergens, and pollutants to infiltrate your home, compromising the air your family breathes. By investing in modern window replacement, you can significantly improve your indoor air quality while enhancing comfort and energy efficiency. Let's explore how upgrading your windows can create a cleaner, healthier living space in Green Cove Springs' warm and humid climate. The hidden problem with old or poorly sealed windows: Florida's weather is beautiful, but the heat, humidity, and frequent rain can take a toll on your home's windows. As seals weaken and frames deteriorate, they begin to let in more than just air. Moisture, pollen, and dust can all slip through tiny gaps and cracks. These issues can lead to several indoor air quality concerns, such as mold and mildew growth caused by trapped moisture, pollen and outdoor allergens infiltrating your living spaces, increased humidity, which makes your home feel stuffy and encourages bacteria and dust mites. If you've noticed musty odors, condensation between window panes, or worsening allergy symptoms, it may be time to consider replacing your windows. How modern windows improve air quality? Modern window designs do far more than just look good. They're engineered to seal out pollutants and regulate airflow, helping you maintain a fresh, breathable indoor environment. Airtight seals for cleaner air. New, professionally installed windows include tight seals and insulated frames that block outdoor contaminants. This barrier keeps out dust, dirt, and pollen, especially important for families in Green Cove Springs where seasonal allergens can be high. Moisture control and mold prevention. Humidity is a year-round challenge in Florida. Excess moisture from leaky or inefficient windows can cause condensation on sills and walls, leading to mold spores that affect your home's air and your family's respiratory health. Energy-efficient double-pane or triple-pane windows, filled with argon gas and coated with low emissivity glass, regulate indoor temperatures and reduce condensation, keeping mold at bay and improving air quality. Improved ventilation and fresh airflow. The right window style can make a big difference in how fresh air circulates throughout your home. Casement and awning windows, for example, can be easily adjusted to control ventilation, allowing outdoor air to flow in without compromising energy efficiency. This natural ventilation helps remove indoor pollutants such as cooking fumes, pet dander, and household chemicals, ensuring your home feels fresh and balanced. Energy efficiency and air health go hand in hand. When your windows are drafty or outdated, your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. This not only increases energy bills but also circulates dust and allergens more frequently through your duct system. Replacing your windows helps your HVAC system perform more efficiently, resulting in cleaner circulated air, since your system filters don't have to trap as many contaminants. Fewer drafts, meaning less outside air carrying dust and humidity indoors. Consistent indoor temperatures, which reduce the growth of allergens and microbes. With better window insulation, your air conditioning system can maintain cleaner air with less effort, a win for both your health and your wallet. The role of professional installation: even the best windows can't perform their job if they're installed incorrectly. A professional window installation ensures proper sealing, fit, and insulation, which are critical to achieving cleaner indoor air. Local experts in Green Cove Springs understand how Florida's humidity and salt air can impact window materials. They'll use the right techniques and weather-resistant products to ensure your new windows provide long-lasting protection against moisture, drafts, and pollutants. A healthier, more comfortable home. When you upgrade your windows, you're not just improving your home's appearance or energy performance, you're also creating a healthier living environment. Cleaner air, reduced humidity, and fewer allergens contribute to better overall wellness for your family. Many Green Cove Springs homeowners notice the difference almost immediately. Fewer allergy symptoms, fresher smelling rooms, reduced indoor humidity and mold, better comfort and energy efficiency. These benefits make window replacement one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your home. Final thoughts: in Green Cove Springs, where humidity and pollen are part of everyday life, maintaining good indoor air quality is essential for your family's comfort and health. Replacing your windows is a smart, long-term investment that helps protect against allergens, moisture, and pollutants while keeping your home cool and inviting. With professionally installed, energy-efficient windows, you'll breathe easier, save on energy costs, and enjoy a cleaner, healthier home for years to come.